Cash. Hello friends, for the Honda Accord, I think you need to switch this AC air conditioner PCB. I will send you an extra one with other cargo. Then you give to the customer to switch it. I think it was burned because the first time he was connected the wrong way. Here is the video how to install it together. Just easy to installation. Type the screw. And fix the rotary button is okay. Then fix the metal part, it will be finished.